Hello everyone, this is Wendy from Toption Instrument. Welcome to our show today. I will introduce Toption to you. Toption is a token solution provider from China, and we established in 2004 with more than 10 years experience. Our equipment approved by several certificates. Here I will show you some certificates. First, this is our ISO certificate for development and production of molecular distillation system, web film evaporators, and filters. Just have a look. And second is the ROHS certificate for our stainless steel reactors for decarboxylation and crystallization. And all the others are the CE certificate for several kinds of our equipment, such as this is the centrifuge certificate. This is the web film and resin film and falling film evaporator CE certificate. This is CE certificate for stainless steel reactor. And this is the material transfer pump CE certificate. This is certificate for driving oven. And the others for another CE certificate, such as for short path molecular distillation, for rotary evaporator, and some others such as glass reactors, ultrasonic reactors, and the others. And so with so many certifications, our factory is professional token solution provider. And second, we focus on development our Toption brand. Here I introduce this Toption brand. You can see this Toption brand consists of three parts. The first is the gear, and the second is the green leaves, and the third the top option, Toption. So do you know how these three parts stand for? First, this gear stands for precision. As we are in CBD industries, this stands for precision industry. And the second is the green leaves. Green leaves, first it stands for environmental protection, and the second it stands for it's energetic team. All our team members is from 90 generations and 80 generations. The third one is top option. Do you know why we make our company as Toption? Toption means top option. Our aim is to become the most competitive lab solution provider in CBD industry. So also hope to be your top option in CBD industries. And to develop our brand Toption, we have done many things. First, we attend several exhibitions. We have attended several fairs international, such as 2009 in Las Vegas exhibition. There are some photos, you can have a look. This is one of our customers come to see our molecular distillation system. This is another customer from Canada. And here is me, have you seen? This is the exhibition in Korea for lab equipment. This is our customer from Canada, and this is from USA. Yes. This is from our Russia exhibition. You can see these two guys from Russia. This is another exhibition in Piston. This is customer from Russia. Except we attend several exhibitions in USA, Canada, Korea, Russia. We also develop our brand by some other channels, such as we are a golden supplier in Ali. You can have a look some certificate here. This is SGS certificate. It's a certificate that we are Golden Plus Supplier Assessment certificate. We are Golden Plus Supplier in Alibaba. This is for 2019. This is also SGS certificate. It's 2020. This is another inspection company, TUV. It's TUV certificate. We are verified supplier from Alibaba with another channel. This certificate is so heavy because it's a heavier certificate. We are super king account. That means we are SKA supplier in Alibaba. That means we have paid 100,000 RMB to Alibaba to develop our brand. Okay, the next part we will introduce our cane equipment, the CBD extraction and distillation solution equipment. From this photo, you can see Toption. This is our brand. Toption is a verified supplier and manufacturer with TUV, ISO, CE, SGS certificate in Alibaba.com. Here come to the CBD extraction distillation Perkins solution. This is the whole flow chart from the first, this one. This first is the extraction process. This one, you can see it's stainless steel. It's used to storage the ethylene and for pre-cooling the ethylene. After the ethylene cooled, you can put the hemp biomix and the ethylene into this centrifuge extractor. This is stainless steel centrifuge extractor. By soak in the extractor, and then you can use high speed and low speed to extract the crude CBD oil. After the crude oil come out, the oil will come to the next step. Here is the filtration step. As you know, there are some vaccine and some impurity in the crude oil. So after extraction, we need to make it pure by extraction. By filtration, the equipment with designed with two-stage filtration filters here. First for the coarse filter, then after this with the cold bag filters to make it much purer. After filtration, the products will come to this tank for storage. And they come to the third process, is evaporation. Because they are, in this extraction, we use low temperature ethylene extraction. So there are so many ethylenes inside these oils. So from this evaporation process, we need to remove most of the ethylene here. By this, this is rising film evaporator. If you just do very small scale, you can also use rotary evaporator and some falling film evaporators. And after removing ethylene here, we need to convert CBDA to CBD. So we need decarboxylation reactors. Here we come to the fourth step. This is the decarboxylation reactors. From here, why we design with condenser again here? Do you know? That's because from the evaporator, I say most of the ethylene will be removed, but there are also some less ethylene. From here, we can use these reactors to remove the other salvage ethylene. Here, they heat to 1010 or 1040 to be decarboxylation to convert the CBDA to CBD here. After this, we will come to another concentration way. This we call it distillation. This distillation, we use the most advanced technology. This is the wiped film evaporator. Some also call it molecular distillation. There is a wiper here, which will use the short path to separate the CBD oil. So after this, the CBD oil will be much purer. And some other customers also use the multi-stage for this equipment to make more purity. Such as for the first stage, the purity will be 65. After the second stage molecular distillation, the purity will be much higher by 10 or 50%. After distillation, some customers want to make the CBD to be CBD crystal, and some others also called it CBD isolate. So we have CBD isolate equipment, this crystallization reactor. From this step, the CBD oil will come to here. First, use some salvage for crystallization on the upper reactor. Then use this wave. Let them flow down to the bottom filter. This is separate bottom filter. It will be filtered and the mother liquid will be collected. If some customer need to recover the salvage, we have designed here. Use this condenser, the mother liquid can be recovered. After crystallization process, some customer want to make it dry as ponder or some others. We have dry oven here. The fourth step, dry oven. With this dry oven, we designed with 10 layers of the shelf, and there's lights inside this shelf, so you can see what changed inside this shelf after drying. This is the whole process of the CBD extraction and the distillation equipment.